𝗱𝗲 warehouse, which is right in the middle of the packing season at the moment. It's a hive of activity. It's really loud with all the ventilation and everything going on. I'm going to show you some of their saffron bulbs that they've currently got in the store now, which are kept in these regulated rooms at a temperature of around 25 degrees. I'm just going to show you inside. Lots of ventilation, you can hear all the fans and everything. And we've got some crocus bulbs here, Crocus sativus, and these are saffron bulbs. And you can see here there are two different sizes. 𝗱𝗲 sell top size bulbs these are top size bulbs, they're there to be planted. These are what are sent out to people to plant in their gardens or farms, and these will produce a crop of saffron in the first year, so a few months after planting. So just plant these around September, and they should start to flower in November in the first year, and then every year after there will be more, and they may flower a little from October onwards. So we have this size here, which is the top size, and these are actually really huge, really good quality bulbs. These will flower in the first year. Here we have some small Crocus sativus bulbs, and so when you're choosing, it's important to choose the top size. If you're growing them in your garden or on your farm, choose the top size for a good crop in the first year. These are the sort that we plant back into the ground and grow on for a further year. If you planted these in your garden, or you found these in the shops this size, plant them and they will grow, but possibly you may have to wait more than a year to get the first flowers from them. So you can see by comparison there, these tiny ones really in comparison to the top size, and that's why it's really important to go for these top size bulbs. And these crates here are specially designed for storing bulbs. They've got wire mesh underneath, so air can circulate through. Air circulation is really important for keeping bulbs dry and healthy. I've got some top size bulbs here, and this one you can see they're covered. All of them are covered in this papery, golden sort of outer layer, which when you shouldn't peel it off really, but when you do peel it off, just to have a look, you can see that they've got these little eyes at the top, which are this year's flowers. You can see there's 3 on this one, which has just been peeled off now. So that will be 3 flowers in the first year. Around the outside, you've got these small dots, which are the flowers from the following year, and as you can see, there are a lot more. And this is the way the Crocus sativus reproduces. So from this corm, this will flower this year, and this will be the mother bulb. And then as the flowers die back after flowering, it will produce little small daughter corms, which are the small ones around the outside are from all of these dots. So on this one, there'll be 5 or 6 daughter corms produced from this bulb, and then next year there'll be next year's flowers, each with multiple blooms. So these naturalise over the years and produce bigger clumps, which is what makes them really so rewarding, because you just get more and more and more every year. Eventually you can dig them up, separate them all and plant them all back down, and just keep multiplying them. So it's really important to choose top size bulbs if you want high yields of saffron. 𝗱𝗲 sell these top size high quality bulbs to saffron growers around the world. Please visit 𝗱𝗲.co.uk for more information and to find out how to order. Thank you for watching.